So this is the lesson on instrument tests. Now what we need to do is test our instruments quite regularly, and we have two ways of doing that in the field that we don't need any special equipment to do. So the first one of those tests is to use the astigmatizers with this lever on your left grip to take 20 sets of readings, 20 pairs of readings. And what you're going to do is 10 readings with the astigmatizers and 10 readings without, and they're alternate readings. So you're going to pick an object you can see clearly with or without the astigmatizers, and we're going to take 10 readings with and produce the MOR, and then we're going to take 10 readings without and produce the MOR. And we're going to divide the MOR of B by, or the difference, by R squared of B. So the difference between these two is 12. So the R squared of B from your tables is 1.3 squared. So 12 divided by 1.7 is 7R squared. Now, as long as that figure is less than 8R squared, the instrument is considered accurate. So just to run through those maths again, 1274 minus 1262 is 12, and then so 12 yards. Divide that 12 by the R squared value from your tables of B, 1262. So 12 divided by 1.3 squared equals 12 divided by 1.7, because that is 1.3 squared, which equals 7R squared. And as long as that is less than 8R squared, the instrument is considered accurate. The second test, we need to adjust the instrument onto natural infinity using the moon by day. So if it's available, you can do this. And then we set up the lathe. So remember the box with the two lathe points within it, ensuring that this is really parallel at about 200 yards, really accurately parallel. You're going to then take 10 readings, and as long as those 10 readings come to less than 10R squared, the MOR of those 10 readings is less than 10R squared, then it's considered accurate at that point as well. But what you'll need to remember is to conduct your consistency calculations on all of these to make sure that you're getting consistent series. So you've got two options there. One requires a bit of a longer range and to do 20 pairs of readings. The other requires you to do to use natural infinity, so the moon if it's available, and then 10 readings over 200 yards using the lathe. Slightly different accuracy factors. So we've got 8R squared for the top calculations being the maximum out that it can be, and 10R squared on the second one. So you can go out and use this and practice this on at the end of the session with the practice time that you have available in this phase. So if they're not within those factors, then it will need to be returned to the Royal Army Ordnance Corps for adjustment and repair.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Please support us on Patreon if you're able to, and let us know of anything you'd like to see in the future. I look forward to hearing from you.